This is the sort for October 6, 2015. This week is going to be a little different than the past weeks because you're going to see that you don't have any words to sort. All you see are headers. These headers cover most of the prefixes you've learned this week. This is going to be a review week. So if you look at this card here, it tells you to create definition cards for prefixes. In order to do that, you press the plus sign, which will create a new deck, and on that deck, you are going to write the definition of the word. That's all there is to it. If you want to change the color of the deck or of the card, all you need to do is scroll down a little bit, and that allows you to change the color if you'd like, or the writing color if you'd like. So you can change it to red, to green, whichever color you'd like this week. So let's take a look at each of these prefixes. I'll do a quick review of what each of these prefixes mean. Let's start with un. Un means not, or the opposite of the base word. In means not. Dis means not. So you could almost sort these in one column because each of these means not. Miss means bad or badly. We see, let's look at X. X means out of or beyond. Sub means below or under. Com means with or together. Pre means before. And en means causing something to happen. Be careful with this prefix though, in. In actually has two meanings. Another meaning for in is into. So it could mean not, or it could mean into, such as inhale. Or sometimes you might see it as a prefix like inaccurate, like not accurate. You're creating your spelling list inaccurately. So be careful with this one, it actually has two meanings. So go ahead and create a definition card for each of these prefixes. Go ahead and replay this video if you need to, if you've forgotten what the meanings of each of these prefixes are. And I also want you to create your own lists of words for each of these prefixes. For example, you could make a card on able. I'm not going to capitalize that because it's not a proper noun. So there's my word, unable. And I would put that right under un. Let's think of a word that would have the prefix miss. How about mistake? M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. So go ahead and continue doing that. I would try to make at least 2 words for each prefix. So 2 words should go under each prefix. Tomorrow we'll talk about all the words you've created, and if you can only come up with 1 or 2, we'll talk about the words as a group and come up with more. Happy sorting!